proud to say that we have now entered the skyline of Astana. We have 4 towers that have gone up. We're going to be the tallest tower in Central Asia. We will have the, don't ask me about the height because that's a secret. We're not telling nobody.
It's yes.
This project, this mixed-use project was created on the bilateral relationship of Kazakhstan and UAE. We're very proud to be here. I'd like to say you could imagine $2 billion. We have a lot of work to do and we had a lot of problems, immense problems. Mr. Esikesef was saying that we met a couple of times a week. No, it wasn't on a daily basis sometimes. And you know, I would like to say that the visas issues we still face and they're solving it. Akimat, we'd like to thank Akimat. We'd like to thank you. Plaza has one of the most advanced technology. We are LEED certified, and we have approached the new standardization here because we apply the British standards and the American standards. That is, we would like to say thank you very much.